Ding, 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 ding. As you can see, it's fire alarm test day at my condo. So these things are going to go off periodically, like throughout the day. So since it gives me a bit of anxiety, the anticipation, we're going to head out today. But we have a project, a shopping project. My smoke detector in my hallway is expired. It expired in 2026, which is this year. So we have to go get another one. So we're going to hit some of the stores to get a new one. Now this is hardwired, but me and a tenant, not a tenant, another owner, we looked at it last night, and they're simple to switch over. It just clips in and out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go shopping now. At least I am. Okay, after a quick stop, I'm gonna head to. I think I'll head to one of the Home Depots just to check the like their smoke alarm situation, right? But we'll probably yeah, let's head to the Home Depot in Gordon Head to see what they got, because if they don't have something sufficient, we can head down to Canadian Tire at Hillside Mall. So we'll bring you back when we're at Home Depot at University Heights Shopping Center. Okay, there's been a slight change of plans. I decided to go to the Langford one instead. You know, with the one that's near the Costco and all that. Because I thought, well, I'll just go to this one instead. This is where I got one last year for the bedroom, the non-wired one. So we're gonna go see what they got. Not saying we're gonna get it here, but we're gonna go check it out. Okay, we're at the Home Depot. They got a ton of selection, right? Originally, we came out here to get this one with a 10-year warranty on the battery, 66. But if you go over here for 79, you got the smart one with the alert. It's got the 2AA batteries, but we can change the batteries every year or so on it. So I think I'm going to get this one. On second thought, I'm going to get this one, the $66 one that has the 10-year battery and a hardwired. I don't really need the alert one, because if that got like, let's see, like a few years down the road, we don't want problem. Like, probably don't need it, but I'm getting this adapter as well. So we're gonna see what else they have here at the Home Depot. Here we're back to the van and we got everything we need. We got the regular regular Kiddde detector with a hardwired 10-year battery, and we got the alarm adapter. Hopefully we won't need that, but I thought I'd get it anyway. It's only like $4. Then we got a Milwaukee voltage detector. Like, hopefully we won't have to change out the wiring, but we have that just in case, and they're always good to have anyway. So I guess the next video will be showing us installing this, or have it already installed. Okay, we're back at the condo now. We're going to do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. Then we might try to put it up, or I might have to get some help to do it. Okay, so we've done the unboxing. We have an user's manual, and user's guide, the alarm itself, a mounting bracket, and the wiring harness. Now we already have a wiring harness like this, like up in the ceiling. Right, so we just need to, I'm sure we just need to put this up there and twist and turn it. So I'm going to go downstairs and see if my friend Peter can come up and help. Okay, so we'll be right back. So Peter's on the way up. And I'll twist that one down. We might not be able to film putting it in, but you sort of get the idea. I'll try to do some filming. So I'm just recording this in case I have to do another one down the road. I can refer back. So that orange tab we had to put to the on position. So now we're going to take the old one down and put it up. Okay, I've taken the old one down, and there's the wire harness there for the new one to go into. Right, so we'll just put the new one in now, I guess, eh? Yeah. So just for future reference here, we have to do another one in this building. We did have to change the faceplate, and we had to put a small washer to hold it in. Yeah. So now we think we're good to go, so we're going to connect it all up. Like everyone, we've got it on. We're gonna do the test. So if you guys don't like loud noises, cover your ears. So you just push it like this, It puts it in test mode. Then it goes. Then to turn it off. And it's back on normal mode.
Back to normal.
Right, so what I'll do is after I'll put a date on the side here that we installed on. So that's good, everyone.
You got a fine felt pen?
I'll put a sticker on it.
Okay. Or completely failed.
Okay, so everyone, we got it installed here. Right, I'm gonna thank Peter for helping me install it. There's Peter from downstairs, the maintenance guy.
Big smile.
Yeah.
My unshaven face.
This video, like, you don't mind being in the video, do you?
No.
Okay. So that's installed on February 24th, 2026. And it's good for about like 10 years, but we probably won't let it go that long. Maybe
it may fail every
5 years.
7 or 8, possibly.
Yeah. But at least it's better. So there we go. And there's hardwired and battery operated. Well, once again, you can see the new smoke alarm's all installed, and we put the date on it, February 24th, 2026. So we're good for several years now. And thanks again to Peter for helping me install it.